interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please await a message from the representative of the President of the United States.
Good evening, my fellow Americans. We are currently facing a crisis unlike any other. I am currently delivering this message on behalf of the President of the United States, as he is currently being moved to an undisclosed and secure location at this time. At exactly midnight, Eastern Standard Time, the famous Times Square Ball in New York City, New York, has begun to resonate a signal with a frequency upon completion of its drop. Upon any form of technology receiving this signal, it will cause an overload of the device, causing a malfunction, and causing said device to detonate. Due to the fact that the ball dropping was broadcast on live television, it has caused almost all forms of technology to explode across the United States, including Alaska and Hawaii. Due to live broadcasts being available in Canada and Mexico, this event has also occurred in those two countries as well. Mass casualties and injuries have been reported in all areas affected as a result of this event. The statuses of the President of Mexico, along with the Prime Minister of Canada, are currently unknown at this time. Any technology that was powered off was not affected by this event. Please refrain from going towards Times Square for any reason. All live broadcasts from Times Square are no longer available, and any and all recordings of this event will be deleted and destroyed. The Times Square Ball is currently being dismantled at this time in order to prevent further harm. If you have any technology powered on, turn all electronics off in order to prevent any damage. While times look bleak, especially on this day meant to represent new adventures, our nations will strive and return stronger than ever. We will never fall, not even in the face of this terror. May God bless you, and may God bless our beloved countries.
That was a message from a representative of the President of the United States. We will now return to the emergency alert system.
Please tune into all media outlets for further information. National danger to all civilians now fully mitigated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. At this time, the signal resonating from the Times Square ball has now been silenced and the threat of potential electronic detonation is now over. All the recordings of the ball drop have either been deleted or silenced, no longer able to cause harm or further damage. There is massive damage across the United States, Canada, and Mexico, with the number of casualties and injuries unknown at this time. It has now been deemed safe to turn on all electronics. All normal programming operations will now resume at this time.